Hello everyone, and welcome back to HH Beauty Garden. It was great to see you all in the garden today. Now I have a surprise for you, something really amazing that will change the way you propagate roses. What if I told you that with just a simple carrot, you can easily grow a ton of beautiful roses? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today, I'm going to take you step by step through a natural, gentle, and incredibly effective method that I've refined over my years of gardening. By the way, I'm always curious to see where my wonderful gardening community is following along. Leave a comment below, it'd be great to connect. Step 1. Selecting and preparing the rose stem. Let's get started. The first step is to select a rose stem that you really love. Once you have selected your stem, cut it down to about 6 inches, 15 centimeters. Then, very gently, remove all the leaves and thorns from the base of the stem. By the way, this technique works on all types of roses, regardless of where they come from. Trust me, I have tested it on countless varieties of roses. This next part is crucial, so pay close attention. Cut the base of the rose stem at a 45-degree angle. This is not only decorative, but it also helps the plant absorb water significantly more efficiently, and importantly, prevents rot. Always make sure the cut is clean. Quick tip: if you are new to HH Beauty Garden, don't forget to subscribe. I have many more inspiring natural gardening tips for you. Step 2. The power of garlic and carrots. Now for a gentle but effective step. Take a fresh clove of garlic, peel it, and rub it all over the cut stem of your rose. Why garlic? Garlic is a great natural antiseptic, creating a protective layer against harmful fungi and bacteria that can really ruin your rooting efforts. Next, take a fresh carrot. Peel it carefully, as the skin is packed with nutrients that roses love. Carrots are packed with essential nutrients that your rose cuttings will absorb, helping them thrive as they root and grow. Step 3. Nutrient-rich soaking solution. It's time to prepare our all-natural soaking solution. Place the carrot peels in a cup. Add a peeled and minced clove of garlic to the cup. Remember, garlic acts as a natural antiseptic, protecting your rose cuttings from unwanted bacteria and fungi. When combined with carrots, this mixture creates a powerful nutrient mixture that provides the perfect environment for healthy root growth. Now, add some fresh lemon juice to the garlic and carrot mixture. Its natural acidity is a great root stimulant and also helps to deter any harmful bacteria. You can even chop up the lemon peel, as it contains a lot of beneficial natural acids. Pour in about 300 milliliters, about 1.25 cups of water, and stir well. Now, soak the rose cuttings in this magical mixture for about 5 minutes. This step helps to stimulate root growth and greatly increases the chances of successful propagation. Finally, we'll prepare the carrot for cutting. Cut a piece off the end of the carrot and carve a small hole in the middle. This is where your rose stems will be placed later. Step 4. Prepare the growing medium. For this method, I find that a 1:1 ratio of sand to cocoa peat works great. This combination is great because it ensures good drainage while still retaining enough moisture. Really ideal for cuttings. Once the rose cuttings have soaked, strain the mixture to remove all the solids, leaving only the clear liquid. We will use this solution to evenly moisten the growing medium. This will give the cuttings a great initial nourishment and protection, helping them settle and start growing roots more effectively. Fill about 2/3 of the plastic cup with the prepared moist growing medium. It is extremely important to make sure the cup has drainage holes. This will prevent waterlogging and keep your delicate roots healthy. Step 5. Planting the rose cuttings. Now, after soaking the rose cuttings, it is time to plant them. Insert the carrot slices with the hole you made earlier and gently place them in the middle of the cup. Then, fill in the remaining moist soil, covering the carrot slices. Once the rose cuttings are in the growing medium, use your fingers to gently press the soil around the stem. This helps to hold the cutting firmly, ensuring it stays upright and stable during the crucial rooting process. Compacting the soil also helps to eliminate air pockets around the stem, which is important for healthy root development. Stage 6. Use effectively and be patient. To maintain ideal humidity, place the pot upside down in a large, clear plastic cup. This will create a wonderful mini greenhouse effect, keeping the humidity and temperature inside while also creating the ideal environment for rooting. Place the pot in a bright, well-ventilated area but out of direct sunlight. The temperature should be between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, 68 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Now all that's left is a little patience. After about a week, if the conditions are right, warm, humid, and low light, you should start to see small roots forming and even new shoots emerging. This is a very exciting moment, a great sign that your cutting is responding well and starting a new life. In the first few days, you may even see small green shoots appearing at the leaf nodes. Those little buds are waking up and ready to grow. At the same time, fine white roots will begin to grow from the base of the stem, gently pushing into that moist environment. These delicate roots will continue to grow, becoming stronger and branching as they absorb nutrients and hold your cutting in place. Stage 7. Transplanting to keep growing. Once your cutting has developed healthy roots and new shoots, it's time to transfer it to a larger pot. Before transplanting, choose a pot with good drainage and fill it with a light, airy potting mix, ideally one rich in organic matter. Carefully remove the cutting from its small pot, making sure to keep the roots intact, and then gently transplant it into its new location. And voila! From a simple cutting to a healthy, young rose, ready to bloom in your garden. If you found this method helpful, be sure to like this video and share it with other gardening enthusiasts. Water gently to help the roots settle, then place the pot in a bright, sheltered area for about 2 to 3 weeks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Happy gardening, and take good care of yourself.